This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the Poco F2 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 865. This one has 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of MyUI interface. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and its latest version of iOS 13.5. Let's go ahead and turn on both at the same time here, see which phone will have the faster boot up, and let's go. Poco F2 Pro versus iPhone 11 Pro Max speed test. Let's see what happens. Oh, the F2 with the super fast boot up. Wow. All right. F2 is here to play, I see. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. As you can see, no recent items on the F2 Pro and nothing's in the background on the iPhone. All caches, the browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, I think that was the iPhone. Messages. Xiaomi. The camera will actually pick up both phones. So you can see the viewfinder a little bit. Draw. Wow. All right, pretty close so far. Let's see what happens next. We do have the clock on both phones. Very close, you guys are the judges. We'll go ahead and start this up. Leave that running in the background. This one, call that one a draw. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, very close. Maybe the iPhone actually, but you guys are the judges. I'm gonna click on a random app on both and leave it there. And then we do have the Amazon on both. Oh man, too close to call. I'm gonna click on this. And a little bit faster on the left. We'll go ahead and leave it on this product page. And then we do have eBay. A little bit faster on the left. Click on this bike. And click on this bike again. Ooh, very close. Oh, you guys are the judges on that one. And then we do have games, Mario Run. Loading first on the F2 Pro. Let's see what happens. Oh, very close, but I'm gonna give the win to the F2 Pro. Whoa, but faster on the iPhone on the second step. Leave it there. And then we do have the Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle, let's see. I think the F2 Pro's ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give the win to the F2 Pro. We'll tap to play and we'll leave it there. Oh, tap again. Okay, gotta do it twice, I guess. We do have this one on both. Subway Surfers. Oh, super fast on both. I'm gonna give the win to the F2. Tap to play. And then we'll leave it there. Oh, what? Tap again. All right. Angry Birds 2. Oh, I like the black background. Nice. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Oh, I think the iPhone's ahead. Oh, no. F2 Pro caught up. So we'll give the win to the F2. F2 is here to play. Do have this one. Okay, I think the iPhone's ahead. Will the F2 catch up again? Let's see. Hearing noise from the iPhone. Oh, but F2 again with the comeback. There we go. And then we do have PUBG Mobile on both phones. Everybody wants to see the PUBG. And then let's see. Usually the iPhone wins this game. But let's see what happens right here. And as you can see, iPhone a little bit faster. Whoops. Okay, get rid of that. And as you can see, a little bit faster on the right. Close this out. Close it out. What is oh, tap again? You gotta do it twice? Oh, that's weird. Twitter. Faster on the F2. Instagram. Faster again on the F2. WhatsApp. And again the F2. Wow, it's 3 in a row. Snapchat. F2 again. Alright, so some of these more basic apps, F2 a little bit quicker. And we do have the browsers on both Chrome and Safari. Let's check this one out. We'll do a search for, let's see, my go-to, which is GSM Arena. Do a quick search, whoops. GSM. Oh my god, what is going on? GSM. There you go. Cannot even type today. My goodness. We'll check this one out. Let's see. Okay, I think that was the iPhone. This ad came up first on the iPhone. Let's check out the Redmi Note 9. Click on that. And I think faster on the left. We'll pinch to zoom. Go check that out. Do the same thing here, and I cannot do it here. We'll scroll down. I'm gonna get rid of this ad on both phones, and then we can go to the desktop version here. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We'll check it out. And pretty much identical. F2 a little bit faster. We'll pinch to zoom. Actually, we'll do it here on the pics. Nice and smooth, not a problem. And we'll do the same thing here on the F2 Pro. Nice and smooth, do it at the same time. Practically identical performance. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both. As you can see, everything's in the background on both. And then I like how my UI, I like how their app switching is set up here. Pretty nice. So let's go ahead and just run through these, run through these again. And then let's see what happens. Look for any lags or any stutters. Looking good so far. Twitter, ooh, nice and snappy on both. And then PUBG right there, ready to continue if we want. Okay, what is this? Okay, there you go. Asphalt 9. Ready to go on both phones. Oh, what's going on here on the F2? Okay, I don't think that was a full reload. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2. All right, a little bit faster on the iPhone to recover. And then we do have the Subway Surf. And we're ready to resume this. 3, 2, 1, and you can continue to play. That's nice. And then we do have the Temple Run 2 here. And I think we have a reload here on the F2 Pro, so you can see. And then on the iPhone, we can resume just like that. All right, so we have one reload here on the F2 Pro, so you can see. And then we do, what? Tap again to exit? What? Oh, you gotta do twice, okay. Mario Run. And another reload here on the F2. Okay, F2 not looking too good. Get rid of that. And then eBay. Get a little bit faster on the iPhone to recover. And then we have the Amazon. And the F2 is reloading this. Wow. App Store, Play Store, same place. Calculator. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. And then we do have the camera. Again, I'm gonna pick up both phones. Go. Faster on the iPhone. And then we do have the messages here. Oh, I think both reloaded that one actually. And the F2 was a little bit faster on that one. And finally, the phone app. A little bit quicker on the iPhone. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the new Poco F2 Pro? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this phone so far. What do you think of the pop-up camera up front, the little pop-up mechanism here on top? I love it. Now, I don't know how long that's gonna last, but you get a clean display here. No hole punch or notch or anything like that. I love it. Do you have yourself the Pocophone F1 from last year? And if so, are you gonna upgrade to the F2? So far, I do like this phone. I love the red power button here, and I love this pearl white. I mean, look at how pearly that is. It looks very nice. Wow, I love it. Or are you an Apple ice sheep, rocking your iPhone 11 Pro Max? Do you have yourself the regular iPhone 11? Do you have the new SE 2020? Do you have an iPhone XR? Let me know in the comments below if you installed the new iOS beta that just recently came out. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.